In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove suggestions in Google Drive. If you're tired of opening Google Drive and seeing a strip of suggested files you didn't ask for, this walkthrough will help you switch that off as your default view. We're going to change a simple setting so Drive opens straight to your files, keeping suggestions out of the way. Nothing about your files or folders will be deleted or moved. This only controls what you see first. Start by heading to Google in your web browser. In the top right corner of the page, look for the grid icon, the small square made up of 9 dots. That's the Google Apps menu. Click it to open the list of Google services. From that menu, choose Drive. This takes you directly into your Google Drive. If you prefer going straight there next time, you can also bookmark drive.google.com, so it's only one click away. Once Drive is open, shift your attention again to the top right corner. You'll see a small gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click the gear, and then choose Settings from the drop-down. This opens the Drive Settings panel, which usually defaults to the General section. Inside the General settings, find the area labeled Start Page. This setting controls what Drive shows you first when it opens. By default, many accounts are set to Suggestions, which is why you see recommended files and activity when you land in Drive. Click the option for My Drive. This tells Google Drive to skip the suggestion view and take you straight to your own folders and files every time. There's no Save button here. Your choice applies immediately. You can now close the Settings panel. To see the change in action, open Google Drive again or refresh the page. Instead of landing on Suggestions, you'll arrive directly at My Drive. Your main content area will show your folders and files, and those suggestions won't be front and center anymore. This keeps your workspace focused and predictable, especially if you organize your files into folders and prefer to decide what you see first. Quick recap. Go to Google, open the Apps grid, select Drive, click the gear icon, open Settings, locate the Start Page section, and choose My Drive. That's all you need to do to remove suggestions as your default view in Google Drive. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same setting and pick suggestions again. Thanks for watching. Keep this setting in mind as part of your routine when setting up a new browser or device, and enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free Drive landing page.